Welcome to Exennial Labs, where smart design meets everyday functionality. Here's a simple way to keep your drills and batteries neatly organized with precision 3D printed wall mounts. Compatible with multiple tool types, our mounts give you quick access and a clean, professional look in your workspace. Each mount is designed for a secure fit. Just slide your drill and battery in place, and you're ready for the next project. Strong, reliable, and easy to use. Installation and removal takes only seconds, saving you valuable time. Whether it's drills or batteries, these holders keep everything within reach and off your workbench. Each mount comes ready with screw holes for quick wall installation. Connect, secure, and mount in minutes. Simply drill through the mounting points, insert your screws, and you've got a sturdy setup that stays put.
Don't wait. Thousands of makers are already upgrading their workshops with Exennial Labs tool mounts. And order yours today before this run is gone.